Hello, my children. Jisoo Krista Chinu. Is the man Lee Baptist Church Drama Group no. Welcome to it. PNBA Pentennial Fellowship. December 30 na hinu jakya puti. Win na hi. Tina Taibai-e Tidi Title hinu do sum ngolai. Do hana hai. Raku hino zalu lugaju ana. Vepu hino nanda shuju do ane. My children nagu hino asa sa bedolai.
哦，等你说去，这不易。
是他家大哥，就是过了没家在上过去呢。太难了。
说啥去了呢？
哦，
那他这那开枪是？但那才是他那是都这个，他叫什么？
那叫什么嘛子那啊？阿拉太那他。
这把手接出来一，阿里他这。Vamos levar. Pastor in vamos levar.
Desane.
Matthew chapter 24 verse 35 in that boy. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words will not pass away. Rachi alati pona sa habale ana avinchi polo sa halamoy dane. Matthew Jimmy Katai, Trek, Shalom in hand and walk at them way.
My name is Solo.
Director Barak Echo, Member Art and Culture PNU Pomai Naga Union, D. Apau Simon, Social Worker, L. Johoto Headmaster, Liai Baptist Junior High School, D. L. Dana, Co-Actor, Taibai-e Film, W. La Lee, ex-BYF Chairman, Zeke Stephen, Primary Teacher, D. As a Designer, Barak Echo, KH Ngopuna Actor, Daliang Film, W. Siko, Co-Actor, Daliang Film, Z. Jisoo, Proprietor, Jisoo Workshop, Senapati, D. L. Topu, Headmaster, Lier Christian Upper Primary School, D. H. Naki, Chairperson, Liai Baptist Church, M. Chachi, Co-Actress, Barak Echo, A. Vane, Song Leader, Liai Baptist Church, A. Asanai, Actress, Barak Echo, Jai Veliros, Pianist, Barak